Windows Beach Shop. Yeah. Nah.
Come here.
Ah, sa beach or sa taas? Boardwalk? Or sa fishing pier? Venice fishing pier. Rules right there. You caught the big one at Sharky's. Wow. There's a tent. There's probably something, an event in here. Don't know what it is. Welcome to Siargao. No, clear na. Just beautiful out here at the Venice fishing pier, the beach, everything. Clear sky, clear water, not so hot. It's not really hot, it's just sunny. It's perfect. Yeah, it's a beauty. 360 degrees. This is what you see at this time. Holy buckets. Yeah, you can rent out stuff here for fishing. There's a bench, just one.
Are you?
Yes. For YouTube. Look at those beautiful waves. It's so perfect right now. It's amazing. Everybody's enjoying it. Today is Monday actually. Nothing too crazy. But during sunset, this should be really nice here. It's famous for its beautiful sunset. This pier, this view right here. Yeah. Wanna move forward? Do you wanna move forward?
Yeah.
I'm hoping to get a glimpse of some sea creatures over here. Yep, you can rent that out. Some more benches. Yeah, it's perfect. Yes. Yeah, the red tide is long gone here. Red tide is gone. Now we got the bluish, greenish, clear water. Look at that, guys. Oh yeah. It's a little windy. Hello. Okay, we're almost at the end of it. Alright guys, if you want to see more of what to see and what to do here around the area, we are in Venice right now, but it's beautiful out here. Alright guys. There you go. Peace.